Analysts believe continued dialogue could reduce the risk of conflict, although major disagreements still persist. The confrontation has also had global economic consequences. Concerns about energy supply disruptions have contributed to volatility in oil markets, and regional governments are pushing diplomatic initiatives aimed at preventing escalation and maintaining stability.
According to recent reports, Iran and Israel have assured each other that neither will launch a first strike. Both sides are currently avoiding military operations to prevent a major conflict in the region. This assurance came in the context of mediation efforts by Gulf countries such as Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and Oman. Pushpin 2. U.S. decision not to attack Iran. U.S. President Donald Trump stated that the United States has decided not to attack Iran for now, and this decision was made independently by the U.S. administration to prevent escalation. Pushpin 3. Regional tensions and mediation. Gulf nations urged the U.S. not to attack Iran, warning that any military action could trigger a large-scale war and regional instability. Mediation efforts are ongoing to maintain calm.